Alright, those are live visuals coming in from Shaheed Smarak in Jaipur, where Sachin Pilot is sitting on a one-day fast. Niamika also continues to stay on with us. Niamika, I was meaning to ask you, apart from the very interesting political reactions that have been coming in, the opposition, of course, raising questions on how is this democracy in the state of Rajasthan, is it still alive, given how there is a Congress leader who is having to raise his demands with the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot by sitting on this dharna for a day. On the other hand, the likes of Hanuman Beniwal also saying Sachin Pilot should instead ally with the RNP, should leave the Congress, should raise the voice against the Congress and the BJP. Very interesting political voices coming in at the backdrop. Niamika.
Absolutely, and this had started from the time when Jairam Ramesh had issued a statement regarding this entire matter when Sachin Pilot had the press conference, and after that Jairam Ramesh issued a press conference in which a message was being loud and clear that the Congress party is backing Ashok Gehlot's government, and for that matter, when we have spoken to the leaders which are being close ADs of Sachin Pilot, they were of the view that there was nothing wrong in which the Sachin Pilot is demanding, because this was the promise of the Congress party and he is only acting for the benefit of the Congress party, because the assembly elections are coming in and it was the responsibility of Congress to fulfill all its promises which were being made during the time of the last assembly election. That is the only reason why Sachin Pilot is holding a dharna here. But on the other hand, a very strong word has come on the part of Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa yesterday, as he had called this Anshar an anti-party activity, and he had also mentioned that he should have raised all these matters within the party forum rather than holding a protest or a dharna in view of the upcoming assembly elections. As this might when we have spoken to Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, he had also mentioned that this was not the right way to raise the concerns for the party, and for that matter he is also depicting that he is standing just against the Ashok Gehlot government, and that will only harm the party, and that is the only reason why the Congress party has come in support of Ashok Gehlot, because they are saying that whatever has been done by the Ashok Gehlot government, that has become a model for the entire world, and its own party leader Sachin Pilot is work which is being done by the Ashok Gehlot government. So that comes as an example of the infighting which is going on within the Congress party, within the Rajasthan Congress, because a picture has been given out that there is an internal conflict between Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot, and that gives an opportunity to the other political leaders, to other political parties to approach Sachin Pilot and to show out the message that the Congress party is united in.
Okay, keep talking to us, Niamika. These are visuals coming in from Rajasthan. Sachin Pilot sitting on a dharna. The leader of opposition of Rajasthan and BJP leader Rajendra Rathore said that this is an open challenge to the High Command. His day-long fast will prove to be the last nail in the coffin of the Congress government. In the meanwhile, remember Sachin Pilot observing this day-long fast, calling for action on corruption during the previous Vasundhara Raje-led government. He says he will observe this fast at the Shaheed Smarak. Those live visuals coming in, it's going to take place till the evening, and this, remember, on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, a social reformer. But news also coming in on how Sachin Pilot has perhaps directed his loyal MLAs to stay away from the event, as he wanted only workers to participate in the first fast to avoid it being seen as a factional event. And that's what Niamika is telling us, that the kind of support he is receiving as he sits on this dharna is mostly from the local Congress supporters and workers who are currently standing in solidarity with Sachin Pilot as he raises his voice against corruption and demands action on the previous Vasundhara Raje-led BJP government as far as the allegations of corruption being levelled by the Congress then are concerned. Let's quickly